Hi, Jake. I'm wondering why you think it's so funny that I have the hiccups. Jakey, I just have the hiccups. I don't know why that's so funny. Excuse me. Excuse me. I have the hiccups. You ready to finish your dinner? You ready to finish your dinner, Mr. Hiccups? That's funny. That's funny. It's funny. You know what I think is funny? You have peas on your nose and on your lips. That's funny to me. Bye, sweetheart.